now, your girl is in Cape Town, South Africa. I came here to have a good time, to enjoy myself, to have a nice holiday because I deserve it. Drinks invisible champagne. Today is my first full day in Cape Town and I am so excited because I came in yesterday. Yesterday was so stressful and yeah, I've woken up, I've dressed up, I'm ready to go. And you guys are asking for a tour of the apartment I'm staying in. I already did a an apartment tour, so go check it out and watch it. Guys, this is my OOTD. This is my outfit of the day. I actually packed an extra outfit to go out, but for now this is my outfit for like the first half of the day. Don't wanna wait. Oh my Indian summer, take me away. I ain't afraid. Calling your name. Oh my Indian summer. I am at the famous Long Street and I took a city hop on hop off bus just so I can get like a general overview of the city of Cape Town. And yeah, so I'm waiting for the bus now. I got a pass for 2 days, so I'm going to do the blue route. There's a blue route that'll take you to like another different place or something, and then there's a red route which will take you to like another different place. I don't know, I don't understand, but I'm waiting for the blue route bus right now. And here is my book or paper or whatever. No, it's a video, that's it. Oh, yeah.
We do our best to hide innocence fading away as we learn the truth, and we'll be anything that we wanna be. Gonna get what's coming.
Bus just stopped at Kirsten Bush Gardens, but I'm not going here today. I'm going to go later, but I'm going to stop off at one wine tasting stuff. And this is the view. The sun is out. Apparently it's like the weather of Cape Town is really weird. Like it was just really cold and dark and all of a sudden the sun is out, so it's like some parts will be cold and then some parts will be warm. Crazy place. But yeah, I'm at Kirsten Bush, but I'll come back here when my friend is around.
Baby, this is what you came for. Like this, right to the town she knows. And everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you.
So guys, I am at Growth Constantia, I think that's the name, and this place is like a wine estate. It's so beautiful, guys. You have zero idea, like no idea how beautiful this place is. And I just finished taking some photos. One of the workers helped me to take some photos, and I came here for wine tasting. Okay, you guys need to see this view. You guys need to see this view. the cellar tour. It's a tour of like a wine cellar. Then I'm going to go to the museum for the wine, I think, and then I'm going to go for what they call a wine tasting. So yeah, let's go. These are such beautiful flowers, by the way. Hi duckies. Hi duckies. Hi duckies. Quack quack quack. Oh, ducky. Hello. This place is so beautiful. Hi duckies. Wait, where's the cellar tour? I think I'm getting lost, guys. God, I just saw a beautiful view. Honestly, Cape Town is all about views, guys. Like the views here, damn. I can smell the wine. Like I can smell the wine so much. Is this the... Hi, is this the cellar tour or?
At 2 o'clock.
Oh, at 2 o'clock, so I'll just wait there.
Yeah, right. On the top. Let's begin.
You promised me to death if there's anything haunting you. You leave without saying where you're going or where to. Should I worry that you won't come back? Should I worry that you will forget? My senses telling me I shouldn't worry, you know the truth. Ooh, yeah. I can never take away our story now. And I know you feel it too, our story, it's too precious now. Yeah. I can never take away our story now. We've come too far to waste our story, it's our story now.
Let's go.
Oh, this one, ma'am, you can keep it for about 8 to 10 years. It goes quite well with venison. It's really wild meat. Enjoy.
Thank you. So guys, wine tasting. By the way, I loved the cellar tour because I learned how to, I learned all about making wine. So apparently in the Constantia, I think Great Constantia, they make their wine, they grow their grapes by themselves, they produce it, they do the bottling, they do the labeling, they do everything. And by the way guys, yeah, wine, I'm drinking wine. So this is my third tasting, so I have 2 more. Don't judge me, please, don't judge me. But I'm enjoying myself, I'm on holiday, I'm having fun. So this is officially the best wine. What's the name? What's the name? Grand Constance. This is the best wine. Me. Having fun. Drinking my wine. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. God, I've had so much wine. It's not so much, but is it so much? Well, I've been tasting. I tasted 5 different wine types. So nice. Some of them are so nice. Showing the Grand Constance. They said Napoleon and the rest. That's the kind of wine they drink. But yeah, I'm still having fun. I hope to do more things today. And I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog of my day. Today, my first day, full day in Cape Town. And I'm going to pee now. Bye. I really do wish I had someone to be taking me like the videos for my, you know, I don't know, videos of me. But yeah, I'm still having fun. I'm going to the museum now and see you guys at the museum. The museum is quite boring in my opinion. It's for old people. Not interested. I'm not interested, but just let me get my bang for my buck, I guess. I am at the Groot Constantia, right? And I saw the wine cellar, the museum, and then I went wine tasting, and I've had so much fun. And I'm really excited to see a lot more things about Cape Town. So thank you very much. And okay, bye. So I found one of the workers to help me take a video of myself talking, and he was so nice, such a nice man with gold teeth. But guys, now it is time once again to show you my view.
I don't know how to talk to you. I don't know how to ask you if you're okay. My friends always feel the need to tell me things. Seems like they're just happier than us these days. These days I don't know how to talk to you. I don't know how to be there when you need me. It feels like the only time you see me is when you turn your head to the side and look at me differently. And last night I think I lost.
So I just finished my tour bus, that's the blue route. So tomorrow I'll be doing the red route, and it got so cold and everywhere got so dark, so I couldn't exactly make more videos for you guys. But yeah, like I don't know what's wrong with the weather of this place. Like 1 minute it's sunny, the next minute it's raining, and it's just so unpredictable. So like my videos weren't looking so nice anymore. But yeah, right now I'm at the V&A waterfront, and I actually want to go to Century City and just see that area of town and see that part of town.
I just don't understand it.
Which basically is the biggest shopping center mall in the whole of Cape Town. So yeah, I expect to get lost and I expect to get really tired, but first I need to get something to eat. So yeah, let me get something to eat.
Last night, I came to realization, and I hope you can take it. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another player on a hit list, trying to fix your inner issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck you, white hoes in your carriage, but you never could imagine. Never told you could have it.
Don't judge me. Okay, I really wanted something sweet. And I'm on holiday. I'm not counting calories on holiday. Don't judge me. Oh. So guys, back to the tourist life. It was nice chilling, but we are going. update, guys. So I am at the garage waiting for my Uber, and I thought I was going to be able to vlog much, but I wasn't, because this place is so big. Like, it's really big. But yeah, I'm still alone tomorrow, so you guys should definitely watch out for tomorrow's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and watch out for day 2 of Nigerian girl taking over Cape Town. No, I'm not taking over, I'm only visiting, guys. Bye.